Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Capricorn, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards here. We have the Lovers in reverse, Ten of Stars, and Master of Moons in reverse. So, in your circumstances, guys, it may be in your career situation or in your relationship today. Maybe you have some confusion today, something is not right, you have some worries or some stress because something is not clear, you do not have clarity in your work, maybe regarding some choices or some opportunities. You don't know what will work for you or what will be the right thing for you to decide. So some kind of lack of clarity in your circumstances, and maybe you did trust someone, you had great faith or trust on some person, but today this person is quite uncertain, their intentions are uncertain for you, you don't know what they are, whether they are honest towards you. So it may be someone in your work situation, it may be your colleague or a partner. So some kind of uncertainty about your future is what I see, guys, and you don't know how things will take shape for you in your work situation, or it may be your energy in this relationship, guys. Maybe you had trusted this person, you had great faith on them, but today they are acting in a way making you lose your trust on them. Maybe their behavior or the words they speak, something tells you that they are not interested in you, they have their focus on something else, and they have a lot of distractions, guys. Maybe they have their own ambitions in career, maybe that may be a distraction, or maybe they are interested in some other friendship and not totally focused on you. So again, that may act as a breaking point for you, guys, Capricorn. So you are thinking to yourself whether to trust this person or not. Some lack of trust or lack of that certainty with this person is there, and that is making you disappointed. So this person's behavior, or maybe your circumstances itself, is something really difficult to handle, and you feel that you are totally exhausted thinking and expecting certain things from them and things going wrong, and your expectations are not happening. So disappointments and exhaustion is what you see today, guys, Capricorn, in your situation. So it may be in your work or in your relationship, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, Capricorn. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading. So we have negative energy with these cards, guys, it does not mean that something bad is going to happen. It is just pointing us towards the things that we need to change, maybe we need to pay more attention to, so we can avoid such difficulties in our circumstances, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading, guys. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. So for those who chose the first card, I will keep the second card aside. For this card, we will see what it is. It is the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So when you get this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are on the way to make an enormous sacrifice. You are considering, maybe, and you are restricting your true voice. You are not speaking what you truly feel, and you are doing that in order to gain that acceptance from someone or avoid conflict. And you are giving up your emotions, maybe trying to fit yourself in your circumstances, in your environment. And maybe it is totally uncomfortable for you, painful for you, and you are feeling really heavy, ill at ease. You don't know what to do. You feel really uncomfortable and not at home and feeling really awkward, making these changes that are not true to your emotions or true to your heart. So instead of making such sacrifices which are really painful for you, which are not what you are trying to change yourself to something which is not the truth, guys. So this self-sacrifice is only taking you towards more pain and sadness, and maybe in the long run you may earn the other person's pity but never love. So you need to understand that you should never deny your heritage, your talent, skills, and your abilities, your beautiful abilities. That is what is going to make you more lovable and true to yourself. So trying to change yourself is not going to help you in any way, guys. It is going to create more pain for you, and that is not the truth. You are trying to live a lie, so that is not going to take you anywhere, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So we should stand for the truth, what we honestly are, and when we build our relationship on that honesty, it is going to work. But when we change ourselves to something which we are not, and when we build that relationship on that lie, that relationship will move towards pain and more sadness, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this card, the second card, it says courage. So with this card, it just means self-determination and conviction, having confidence in ourselves and standing for what we truly believe in. So standing firm for ourselves does not mean controlling or ignoring others, but for determining what is not up for negotiation. So, certain things we truly believe in, we must stand for it, guys, and we must never compromise on our beliefs and ideals. That is what this card is about. So, when we do that, when we have that self determination, finding that purpose, we encourage the other person also to do the same. So, we must be compassionate towards others, and we can listen to their beliefs or ideals, but never ever give up your convictions, your own convictions or belief. So that is what this card is about, guys. So we must be able to hold on to what we truly believe in, stand strong, stand confident and courageous. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.